Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Subaru Impreza's steering wheel. This common issue can be surprising, but it's usually a simple fix. The steering wheel lock is a built-in security feature designed to prevent theft. It activates when the steering wheel is moved after the ignition key is taken out, or if the wheel is turned without the key inserted. Don't worry, we'll get you back on the road quickly. Understanding why your steering wheel locks helps prevent it. This anti-theft mechanism is designed to immobilize the vehicle if someone tries to move the wheel without the key. It often happens accidentally. For example, if you use the steering wheel for support while getting out of your car, or if the wheel is turned even slightly after the engine is off. It's a smart feature, but can be a bit inconvenient if you're not expecting it. Unlocking your Subaru's steering wheel is straightforward. First, insert your key completely into the ignition. Next, apply gentle pressure to turn the key while simultaneously wiggling the steering wheel. You'll notice the wheel has a small amount of play in one direction. Focus your wiggling there. This action releases the tension on the locking mechanism, allowing the key to turn and the wheel to unlock. For push-button start models, simply wiggle the wheel while pressing the start button with your foot on the brake. If your steering wheel remains locked, avoid using excessive force on the key or wheel, as this could cause damage. If the simple wiggle and turn method doesn't work after a few tries, there might be a deeper mechanical issue, such as a worn ignition cylinder or a power steering problem. In such rare cases, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. Remember to always ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral before attempting to start it, as this can also prevent starting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.